is snowing. We are having our spring snowstorm, and we're not getting the 10 to 20 inches like it was stated, because that part of the storm has passed us. We're getting the tail end of it. We're going to get approximately anywhere between 4 to 8 inches. And it's a wet, heavy, heavy snow. It's pretty falling. So I like to do night rides in the snow, because my baby's a good driver. Looks like those little trees over there are covered in snow. We're about to drive by them, but I still want to zoom in on them. It's pretty. What?
A white tree. Over there. Over there.
I know, I seen it. Can you wave hi? He's a sweet boy. I love that little guy.
So does his daddy.
Yeah. Here's the trees. Goodbye, trees. I love this. This is beautiful. I know. We'll be okay. Can you see it coming at us? Probably not. It's really hard to see. There we go. It's so pretty.